if you have the sun moving away from you, right, we should think that it's going north. So there's light in the south. There's
I think we're
not
live.
over here in the north, right? Which is what the globe would predict. The flat Earth would predict it in that it could be the coffee cup caustic. But
that's what they were saying in the room.
if you went straight in that direction and you started to see the sun look like it was rising, right now it's like, okay, it's the actual sun's over there. And if whatever is containing is acting kind of like a mirror, you could even still explain it. Then you should be able to pull out a solar filter and see that the sunspots are.
We have no idea if we're actually going live or not. We'll find out in a second. You know what's nice, I'll tell you already, is people stop for pedestrians here.
Yeah, what's not nice though is that the wind is blowing.
Yeah, the wind is, it's always windy.
You could go behind something.
Yeah, we'll go over there. Wait till you get an opening here. Good opening right now. Cross.
So dude, there's that.
Hey, can you post in that group and tell them that we're on live on my channel?
So Madison already did for you. You posted your channel, so everyone's gonna be watching.
Sweet. In the group, in the Telegram.
Everybody, Glovers and Flat Earthers, everybody who's in the house. Oh, you're talking about in TFE.
Oh, I brought the GPS. My Telegram group, I meant.
Oh, Telegram. Okay, you wanted a Telegram as well.
I've never heard of it before, so I've streamed outside for like a year and a half. Always have to do some really blocks.
This is some, I don't know what this is, some statue of some fallen angels, I don't know.
It's like the Greek gods.
Yeah, the Greek gods and the swan, the mermaid. But this is what we wanted to show you. Let's get behind this. This is looking south. And it's midnight. Wait, what time is it? Midnight? Yeah, it's midnight. And that's looking about south. We do have different readings about exactly. We couldn't see the sunset today, but now it's lit up pretty good in the south. That's pretty bright for midnight.
You see it good on the stream?
I don't know if you can see it. Can you guys see it good? Oh, I guess you can see it.
I guess we could go Antarctica here, but that's how cold I feel it is.
Yeah, it's gonna definitely been interessante. So that guy, what's the guy's name? Jonathan said that the sun rose, he thought northeast today. So we're gonna get up tomorrow morning and try and catch a sunrise. It would be hard to imagine that. Northeast. So he thinks the sunrise is gonna be that way tomorrow?
Yeah.
How could he see that from the hotel though? Doesn't seem like he'd be able to see
I
that.
just think that he saw it coming up, and it was going that way, that direction.
Wow.
He didn't
That's
seem
crazy.
sure, though.
He didn't seem sure. I don't know if that was after one TTQ was anyway. Yeah, but that's definitely. Let me look at the. We're gonna use the GPS unit we have here. I got this battery pack. I'm gonna plug from here. Interrupt me. They can't hear you on my stream.
Okay.
I'll back up.
All right, look, check this. Check. Okay, sorry, I'm interrupting. Check this out. So it's 12 o'clock here, okay? The sun, okay, it was light until after 10 o'clock. We were eating lunch. It was still like bright outside, 10 p.m., right? Okay, it's midnight now. It's gotten dark and like actually pretty cold. Anyway, so we're in the hotel and we're looking out the window. Our window is like facing the water and it's facing south. And the whole sky is pitch black, but if you look south, the sky is lit up. The sky is lit up in the south, but not in any other direction.
And I think I'm gonna bring up. This is the GPS unit that.
Okay, so let's break it down. So
Wolfie gave
obviously
us.
the idea, if you look at the AE map, right, you got the sun will be moving in a circle. It's actually going to be going north at this point.
That way.
But according to the globe's going to predict that the sun's actually over there south. It's going to be over towards the south. In theory, if we were to like, I don't know, maybe hop in a plane and start flying that way, we would see the sun start to rise up, right? Now, if there was like a container and there was light wrapped around the edge, then we would still see what we're seeing right now, which is just like a lit up like rim along the south.
Okay. It always comes down to the sun.
So it comes down to the sun. Yeah, I'll drop a picture.
Is the view not good? How did we're not on the stream anymore? Did we go offline? Shit. Oh, no, we're still live, I think. That's noticeably lit up.
Why would it be the first way? The sun's further out south right now. It's there.
Hold on, I'm trying to get this GPS to work.
Yeah. It's lighting up along the edge. The sun's going to keep going the other way. Eventually, it's going to start to get dark from left to right in our sky, which is what the copycat fast stick we're doing.
I'm trying to get this stupid telescope. Come on. Okay, I got that.
A single ball in the sky? Wait, where's the ball in the sky right now?
Where, what?
Okay, so can someone tell this guy, hey, can you shut up? Thank you. You're just deflecting away from, like, we're making a lifetime observation as far south. We're actually past South America. We're no longer in South America. We're that far south. We don't need you to just waste our time with deflections. Right now, we're looking south at midnight, as far south as you can go until you start heading towards Antarctica. It is light in the southern direction. I just dropped the picture. And this would obviously work whether or not it was a sun over there or if it was like a coffee cup custom film, right? I'm just letting you guys know we are like lifetime confirming. Jaren's live on YouTube as well.
Yeah, it's just light in the. Although I'm trying to get the exact. Can you use your compass on your phone, Elizabeth?
It's pitch black. It's pitch
I'm
black everywhere except for that direction.
This thing does not seem to be working well.
We're in.
I might have to be moving it to get it to go. Okay, now it's moving. Hold on. I'm trying to get this compass. So south is definitely that way. What? Why does it keep going out? Hold on, this GPS is losing its light and then we'll go back to the right page. Go. Hold on. Change Jeranism. Got it. Stop pressing the button. We're all over the place. What compass? Let me see what your compass shows.
She's got the iPhone compass. It's 190. My iPhone compass was saying something different than hers. The mechanical compass is saying different than both of them, but they're both in the same
Go on,
general
get this GPS.
southern direction. But all compasses are reading different. All like anything magnetic related is acting super weird out here.
It's a lack of magnetic emanation in the south. We said it. There's no South Pole.
It's acting super.
Okay, now this one's coming up.
Right, so she has you don't have your southern compass on you, do you? Okay.
Go grab it.
No, don't go grab it. We do have a southern compass with us.
Hold on, this is the GPS, although it
What's the
changes when I
GPS?
start moving.
GPS is saying west.
Yeah, it's showing that this is south behind us.
Look.
Wait, let me walk a little bit.
GPS is saying that we're looking west.
See, now it moves. See, now it's moving. It's one, and then it goes off. This is the thing pissed me off. It like powers off. Okay, look it. Go in here, go to compass. Okay, now let it go. Hold on, it's if I start walking, then it changes. Dude, this thing keeps. I gotta change the power settings on this GPS unit. It keeps like turning off the screen. And then it comes back. Here we go. Austin, walk with us over there and see what you get.
Yeah, you're like 190. I'm like 170 on the mechanical compass. What's the GPS saying?
Saying like that south there. Is that where you guys have it?
Look.
You have the mechanical one. Yeah, there it is.
The compass doesn't match the needle at all.
Yeah, that's south.
Well, you're saying that, but that's just the same general direction, right? You were just pointing there.
Yeah. So far, we don't have anything. That's what we're saying. That's the whole
All the
point.
compasses don't match each other.
Get this one.
What GPS was saying something way off. Did it change?
It's weird though. This GPS only starts working when you start moving with it. Let me figure it out though.
I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me guess. The globe predicts that no compasses work. Just trust me, bro.
So, are there other quadrants of the sky in which you can see this light, or is it only very specific?
No, it's just there. It's just there.
What if you guys put it on the ground?
Let me put a map here.
For what?
Like to have it straight horizontally, or does it matter?
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, they're gonna do it. They're gonna do it. It's still same reading.
Let me see if I can zoom in here. So I don't know if you guys can see it. It's way too small for you to see. This is our location.
All right, look. So look, he just said Solarium is saying southwest is where the sun should be.
I'll take a screenshot.
It should be southwest.
And that's the opposite direction. Southwest is over there where it's pitch black. And then southeast-ish. It's more southeast.
This says, look at this says northwest.
And the GPS is saying northwest.
GPS says northwest.
What?
Can you see the top of that? Northwest.
Something right above my head.
Yeah, honestly,
What
you
you're saying is true. This is big news.
Come on.
The Stellarium is showing southwest.
I cannot get it to zoom in on that or
Well,
to
we're live
resolve.
streaming all of it
Damn it.
on Jeranism, so that no one.
No, but you
no one
can't
claims
see
we're
it.
lying.
You can't even see it, and then it goes off.
Sun's above your head in Australia.
Let me see what my oh, that's not my
Okay,
work.
so we got someone in Australia. The sun's above their head.
Let me see your compass again.
The sun's above the guy's head in Australia right now, right?
Okay.
Okay, so it should be.
For us, it should be northwest.
Look, even if I lay it here, it's still gonna be the same readings.
It's like dead south, southwest.
Yeah, but the
That's literally-
iPhone would be the most deceptive of the readings. This is actively corrected, right?
So why does this thing say northwest in the
Yeah,
upper
like-
right?
Oh, so you guys also know, like recently you had two iPhones side by side and they're reading like 7 degrees different.
Fascinating.
Yeah.
Duly noted.
Let me go to compass
I
now.
posted the screenshot and I'm seeing the location.
Are you guys no longer streaming?
Punta Arenas.
Punta Arenas, yeah. Like,
Look
does
what this
any-
compass is showing. It shows that's northwest.
Do people actively have this GPS tracker's info?
This is crazy though. How does this not? Oh,
No, you're fine.
sorry.
So that's the okay. So Woofy donated a GPS tracker
Right, and it's showing that that is.
to each like side, and Jared has ours.
What does that say? Oh, that does say south and south.
What'd you say? Okay, so someone just said that the sun should be about 20 degrees west of us. So Solarium globe model right now says southwest, is that right?
Yeah, the light. You're trying. This would be southwest.
I can't look it up. We're in Punta Arenas, bro. Internet's like
53 degrees
Wait, what?
latitude, 70 degrees longitude.
This GPS is not working.
Stellarium is showing southwest.
This is the other thing, right? So in theory, according to the globe, we should be able to jump in a plane and fly that way.
See this way. I don't know why this thing doesn't work at all. So the compass is pointing. That arrow is pointing south. See how it's just not working? It's not. I don't know if you're supposed to set it down. I'm gonna turn this way. So south is straight behind me. Let's turn this way.
Oh, I guess the idea is we could go up.
Tell me how that's not working.
Changes, Jared, you heard me?
Yeah, but look at this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8 floors. I can tell you, I'm not going to the top of that. Like outside.
But look how this is not accurate at all.
I'll go to the top floor. There.
Here,
Yeah, it's
try
freezing,
this. Tell me how why it's so. This is like $300. There's no reason for this to be so off. Watch.
So there's like a
Try and figure this out.
it's like a $300 GPS tracker.
Yeah, it won't even give me an accurate reading at all. And if it turns off, press that button in the upper right. Tell me if you get anything accurate. Well, don't start moving around like that. I won't even get it when I'm standing still. That ain't gonna help it.
Okay, GPS tracker flat says that we're northeast.
Not the ice wall.
Flat Earth prediction.
Not the ice wall. It is freezing. And it's probably like 50. It's only gonna be negative 10 in a couple days. I'm gonna live. I'm gonna do just fine. Now, I don't have any layers on. We're just in California gear, hoodie. Yes, I managed to smoke here, of course. What do you think? Oh, he's trying to get that GPS. What do you got? You have anything solid? You have anything solid on that GPS? Or do you have
GPS is it bounces around.
Yeah, it does bounce around. I'm gonna move over this way and see. You think that this thing would work? Okay, so what I don't understand is that needle is pointing to where south is. Right? I'm going east. Is that correct? If we're walking this way, am I going east? Whoa, and there's a step and we hung on. Everybody's all right. This thing turns off every 3 seconds, goes back to the main screen. Nightmare. All right. Okay, so we were going east. South is this way, and then when I turn this way, why wasn't it? Yeah, this thing is all jacked up. It should. This thing's as jacked up as could be. Somebody explain, am I doing it wrong? Check the settings. It just got position. Let me see. It knows that we're at. I mean, when you put on the map, it shows where we're at, but it's just not tracking. The compass. Let me see. Trip. Let me go set up. Tracking display reset. No, it's not. Position format. Heading. Maybe heading is what we want. Let's try heading.
Well, there's nothing to save invisible because we got replay now.
True north. Yeah, this might be good. Bearing low. Yes, good. Good. Let's go. Yeah, course is good.
Or also too, are y'all with this? Here, like 5:11 sunrise. So it's obviously.
Yeah, if you trust the, actually, so if you trust the iPhone, that is south right here. Exactly south.
And then I can open it up for replays.
If we go to units is fine. System display. Setting. Okay. We go here. On map, it shows that we're good. I see. Yeah, that's right. Do that. Compass here.
I'm literally just right across the street. I mean, it is what it is. Like,
Okay, so this has
data,
south there.
Wi-Fi. It is what it is at this point. Like, I'll be whatever.
So what? Well, this thing's garbage. Just kidding. I'll have to look up what's over there. Can I see your compass again on the iPhone? I think it's pretty.
Boom the room, because I gotta go. Boom the room, and then I gotta.
I just want to see the compass one more time.
Because he's trying to come up on stage very quick.
We'll figure out how to do the GPS unit. Yeah. Okay, so turn until it's at 180. See 180 right there? I mean, that's dead south. Dead south. Yeah, it depends whether that's the sun or not. It looks like if you went south from here, the sun would just rise up in the sky. That's what it looks like. Well, the only weird thing that we've heard, according to that guy Jonathan, he said that the sun rose in the northwest, which doesn't make any sense. If this is south, northwest Well, yeah, I mean, really, you should rise from the southwest. What? Can you look up what time sunrise is?
It's at 5:11 a.m. That's why I told everybody get up
5:11.
at 4:50 a.m.
So the sun should rise. I mean, if it's there,
It's local time, so we're 2
the
hours.
sun should rise like here, right? That's south. It's supposed to rise south of west. Should be here in 5 hours. He said northwest, which this would be northwest. It's gonna be. You guys waiting for that one?
Think about like length of twilight.
Time after sunset?
Well, we still see. I mean, this would have to be.
This is over an hour and a half after sunset, though. Sunset was
Yeah,
at
that's-
10:03 p.m.
Yeah, real fast. Let's
Wow,
just-
that's crazy.
Okay, so the sun
Trust me, I've
set
been
like
keeping all the times in my head for a reason.
it was like 2 hours later.
Wow. Yeah, if it wasn't cloudy, imagine if it wasn't cloudy. That's all clouds.
Is it cloud?
That's all clouds. If that wasn't cloudy right now, it would be light there. And they say they get 17 hours of daylight here? About? Yeah, I guess so. And this is at the height of their summer. And it's fucking freezing, by the way. But that's because it's pretty far south. What's the equivalent latitude north? Like Quebec, Canada? Somebody check in the chat and just say we're at Punta Arenas, so what is the equivalent latitude north? Somewhere we would know. Is it like Canada? Or is it like northern Russia? Yeah, I'm watching the chat now. I'm looking. Well, what we've said the whole time, or what I've said, is that you're going to get to at least see the truth, whatever it is. This is the truth right now. I do not have anybody working over there lighting up behind those clouds. Maybe they are building a large football stadium, or 96 of them consecutive. And then they have parking lot lights that they're putting 17 layered parking garages on every one of those 87 football fields that they're building over there. And the work lights are all on, the shop lights. It's possible.
Astronomical stuff.
Thank you. Montreal is 45 north, Moscow is 55. Rise at 5:11, yeah, it is from the southeast. British Columbia? Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. So British Columbia is the same? Yeah, see, I mean, even in the height of their summer, they don't get hot there. It doesn't get to be 100 there, never. Because I bet it doesn't get 100 here, no way. No way. Alaska is 53 north. Wow, okay. And Alaska doesn't get to be 100, I bet. Well, maybe, I don't know. Probably not. 80 in the summer. Yeah, we didn't even think about that. I wonder, we have 2 more days. We have 2 more days before we go down there. We might, hey, what if we should do a balloon. We could probably get this stuff here. I'd like to send a balloon up that way. Oh, that would have been awesome if we would have sent up a night balloon. Let's get money bags, just buy a balloon for tomorrow. Hey, I didn't see your question. I saw you say, can I ask you a question? I looked away and then I looked back and said, I'm the one who asked the question. But wait, hold on, which way do you think the light's going? More to the west or more to the south? I think it's going more to the west.
No, it is going more west.
Yeah, it's hard to tell, but look, the light could be off that way.
They're saying the sun should be going southwest.
Not just southwest, it needs to be going around the ball that way. underneath that way.
Oh, to our left.
Yeah, way over there. It's got to rise way over there.
Okay, so the sun should be going. If you guys watch what.
The only way this could work is if the sun is so close to the outside.
Down to our left.
And there's a coffee cup caustic. It's wrapping around.
But you obviously know.
But what would the light follow? Would it more follow to the northwest or would it follow to the south? It would follow this way. It's like if you stood here with this light and watched it, will you think it will go more to the left or more to the right? I wonder if I'll run out of battery by that. Wouldn't that be interesting? Isn't that another time? Look at that. I think it would go to the right. It's hard to tell because all the clouds. Over here, there's less clouds, so it looks like it goes further than over here. It does look like it.
Because over here it used to be right.
Yeah, it does look like it's going more to the right. But you can't tell because there's clouds.
Yeah, but it did used to be right.
It did used to be right over
I
there.
guess you're right, because if that's a whole wall of clouds, I can't tell.
Kind of looks like it is.
That's true.
But this is a pretty big wall over there too. And we're looking into the town lights.
Yeah.
And it's still pretty bright.
Okay, the sky should be getting brighter to our left. Right?
Yeah, if it's gonna rise, supposedly it's gonna rise over here. They say. Where'd you say that? What was the degree of the rise? Let me look on here. Where should it rise tomorrow? Thank you. Thank you.
But it's moving to our left.
Sorry, no, I didn't.
We're a ways away from Antarctica. We still have a 4.5-hour flight. So I think it's like 2,000 miles maybe? Something like that. Yeah, I know. I want to know what degree. What degree is it supposed to rise tomorrow? I know it should rise southeast. Knock it off. I'm asking degree. Degree. We know where south is. I know where southwest is. I want to see southeast. And I want to know if we're talking about plus 12, not 170. Okay, thank you. That's good. 132. Okay, thank you. 132. I'll see if Elizabeth will bring back over her compass here. I'd be normally able to use my phone as a compass here, but I can't because I'm just streaming on this phone. We really don't want to use any of the gear that we have, but I might use it tomorrow to just film what happens here again. But it's weird because they don't. Oh, thank you. So you said what? 132. Let's go 132. Wait, what? No. That's 132? Or did you say 152? Sorry, somebody repeat it. Was it 152 or 132? No, I didn't remember. Come on. Sunrise 132. No way. Wait, what? That can't be right. And where's 180? So that's south? And it's supposed to rise at 132. Do 132 again? Mm-hmm. Something's wrong. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. Austin, this is where the sun's supposed to rise. Tell me if that's true.
I say again?
This is where the sun's supposed to rise tomorrow.
It's supposed to rise right there. Why?
Why? What? You gotta be kidding me. There's no way. Wait, what?
Why are you questioning this? Because people are asking on Clubhouse.
Yo, check this. If you guys can look at Jaren's thing, okay? So like if you see according to the globe, it should be lighting up to the left, right?
The sun should rise there?
They're saying the sun should rise here tomorrow morning.
So where did it set then?
That's what I'm saying, because I'm setting and moving over towards the left and down. Because they're telling me that the globe predicts.
What?
Which way are you saying the globe predicts right now that the sun is southwest?
That does not seem right at all.
Well, this is southeast.
Yeah, where's the sun right now?
Is the sun supposed to be southwest? Okay, they're all saying that the sun's supposed to be southwest.
Okay, so let me pull my other app.
Yeah, that's good. All right, that's fine. But
Wait. Hold on.
where is it supposed to be right now?
Okay. So
Anybody
let's
know?
look for the sun.
Where's the sun right now for us?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to look.
They're asking you to grab the
Okay,
compass.
the sun is right here, supposedly.
Oh,
Okay,
there you go.
okay, there you go.
So if you were to also post a compass, then it's going to be a little bit over 180.
So can you like fast forward or rewind time in there?
Yeah, what do you want me to do?
See like where it's set.
Where it's set, so I got to go backwards.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
see where it was just going. According.
Got to do it a little, got to do a little. Okay, got to follow
Well, it's
it.
literally not doing that.
And then
So
we
it's set this way.
then we pause right there, right? Because that would be
Whoa.
sunset.
So
Oh, the sunset from over there?
Yeah, the sunset from over there.
Okay. Well, right now, if you look at the sky, it looks like it's brighter over here.
yeah, which is where they're saying sunrise. Okay, now play it forward. Right.
Okay, got it.
Brighter already. All right. Doesn't seem like it. It's 5 hours before.
Boom, boom, boom. Come on,
Yeah,
son.
we're trying to figure something out. I just say we're trying to figure something out.
I'm trying to fast forward. Oh,
I mean, you can talk, obviously, but I'm not going to respond.
Oh, sorry.
Well, we walked around with the GPS and it bounced all over the place. GPS sucks. It's
Okay.
making good.
So like right here. Right there.
Because satellites can't send signals at you unless you're walking.
Rewind it again. Oh, that's
Screenshot that.
good right there. So that's what it's.
But we had an actual GPS tracker tracking.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good. Then
No.
it's-
This is an app that tells you where it's supposed to be, right?
Sky Guide.
It's
Sky
Sky
Guide.
Guide. And
I'm just
another
seeing
one
what it
called Sky
shows and trying
View. I
to.
have a second
And that's at
phone,
5:04 a.m.
So 5:04 tomorrow. It's supposed to set or rise there. Okay, and then it's set just right over there.
actually. I guess there's no way if you select us.
So I mean, crazy for it that rises here.
Like Toxic
And
Lovers
rises
are
here,
asking
set
me
here.
for my longitude and latitude. I'm like, no, intuitively. Like, no, you can't have it, actually.
We're not giving that.
And we're doing it all the way over here, then we're over 200,
Yeah.
207. And then if we're doing it back over here, then we are
Longitude.
kind of back at
Latitude,
113,
I'm
maybe a little
straight.
bit lower.
No, just a second.
Yeah.
And then it's there's a declination of like 12 or something.
Okay. I can have to download Sky View. Yeah, Sky Guide.
Yeah, you can use any other app. That's just the one I have.
Or did they just leave him at the airport now? That doesn't make sense.
That's funny. Did he leave him at the airport?
I don't know.
Oh no, I don't think he just has it tracking our flights, and then we're supposed to turn them off.
Yeah, I think we're in the hotel. Everyone's in the hotel. I'm not joking. I think that's what it's called.
That's hilarious.
The tourist was like, "That's your hotel," and I was like, "Duh hotel."
We're not
He
all
said,
stuck
"Yeah."
in the airport. I promise.
It literally has a DA hotel.
Duh hotel.
I'm not joking.
It's what is this thing though? This structure back here.
That's the Greek gods helping the pirates.
When did that happen?
Back in the day, that helping Jared, you didn't know?
I didn't know about that.
it's,
I had no idea.
it's science.
We got 794 watching. Nice.
We're in Chile. Puerto Rico.
What if it works this well from Antarctica? That'd be hilarious.
We got picked up from the airport. We started driving. He said, technically,
Do you think I want to find how many people have live streamed on YouTube from Antarctica ever?
Yeah. Has anyone ever live
Somebody
streamed
find that.
from
Is there any live stream from Antarctica ever? I guess I think people have done Instagram lives, or maybe they just do uploads. I don't know. It's fucking freezing already.
Yeah, we're about to be the first live stream, the first one that ever uses.
We do have a regular compass.
Never used it.
Let me see the mechanical. The mechanical. Grab it. I'll show you. Just whiz it. Bogarted it. What is that? Fox.
You know what would be really funny is to,
Dog.
if I did.
Okay, dog.
Definitely
I wanted it to be more like adventurous, like, oh, these guys saw a fox out there. Let's see here. Can you see that? So totally, what's happening here though, it's weird. I don't know if you can see this.
It's just funny that it's called.
The needle
it's
is
called
totally
Dog Hotel, like,
dragging.
you can't make it up.
It's terrible to go live on the iPhone. It's terrible. If you can see the North Needle's like way up high. You can see that. Can you see that?
Oh, snap. Okay. Yeah.
If you guys can see that. It's hard to see, but the North Needle is. Isn't it? You hold it. Tell me if you think it's dragging.
I mean, it could be also the.
It definitely looks like the needle could be broken, or it clearly is like dragging.
Yeah.
The white end is dragging. The red end is like way up in the. Yeah. Kind of hard to see on the camera.
Is it like affected by our phones somehow?
I don't know.
Because if I post it away, it's kind of chilling and it's still just as windy. So maybe that's what it was. Maybe. Yo, actually, yeah. The closer you get with your phone, you see it starts messing.
Wow. Yep.
Yeah. You gotta
Totally
keep your
does.
phone your way. Okay, so there we go. Keep our phones away.
Oh, that's much better. Now it settles.
We got a few days before we.
If you put your phone to watch this.
Literally.
It pushes that all the way up. That's crazy.
Wow.
You see what difference it makes?
Yeah, they're talking about it on here.
Yeah. Do it again.
This is supposed to be a pretty good mechanical compass.
Yeah, it's like $100. When DP level. Thank her for it. Okay, ready? Says
Saying the metal's gonna affect it.
Oh, it makes it go crazy.
You can make it go all the way
You guys
around.
put both of your phones up to it.
Well, it makes sense if it's
So
going
then
Yeah.
me trying with the GPS unit is why it didn't work. The GPS unit, I was trying to film it. I was putting it right next to the phone.
Okay, so now try it without it.
Another phone, and it's got Skype.
Yeah, that's probably the problem. I gotta use the GPS. Why, did anybody say that? Nobody said that in the chat. You guys are all just as big as losers as me. I don't want to hear anything.
Yeah, I just want to know, like, are you guys freezing?
It's freezing.
Yeah, no, it's cold, but I'm like past the point of no return.
What is it? What is the temperature right now?
Yeah, we're about to go to Antarctica. We have to tap out.
Okay, let me see if this thing's any better here. I'm gonna move the phone away from it.
Yes, without the
Okay, the compass works fine. The GPS works fine.
4 hours.
I apologize to Wolfie if I said anything. I don't think I did say anything. I think I was just thinking it. I'm just kidding. It's an expensive ass GPS unit. It's like $300. So thank you to Wolfie for this. And it does work as long as I don't put it right next to the phone. So how can I show you that? Well, I can't. That's kind of like a paradox. It won't work. The law of non-contradiction. That's crazy how much that affects it. It
Literally.
pushes it all 180 degrees away. That's great.
more phones.
All right, we're gonna tap out. Yeah, it's cold. And if we're gonna watch the sunrise for sure. We will see you guys tomorrow. Be here or be sphere. How do you stop this?